Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 15th of May. The euro has found strong resistance at 129.37 against the dollar ahead of today's European flash GDP release. The European economy is expected to contract 0.1% in what is its sixth consecutive quarter without any growth. The US dollar remains bullish against the Japanese yen as the pair moved higher, touching 102.42 before correcting somewhat to 102.21. Looking ahead, watch out for higher highs for the dollar as the US expects lower prices on goods and services. Gold continues its slide after touching 1422 after a stronger US economy pushes the dollar higher across the board. Equities edge higher, pulled up by positive US growth. The US 500 tracks the 500 largest US corporations, looks to higher highs after gaining $22 up to 1650 in yesterday's session. WTI crude is trading just below $94.09 per barrel amid lower energy demand expected in the short term. Negative European and worse than expected Chinese growth may lead to an oversupply of the crude. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.65 with a preference to enter in short positions at 129.65. The dollar-yen pivot points at 101.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101.25. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 0.9960 with a preference to enter in short positions at 0.9960. The sterling dollar pivot points at 152.75 with a preference to enter in short positions at 152.75. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 101.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101.30. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 95.35 with a preference to enter into short positions at 95.35. The gold pivot points at 1441 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1441. The silver pivot points at 23.85 with a preference to enter into short positions at 23.85. The US 500 is at 1632 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1632. And the UK 100 is at 6600 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6600. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. At 8:30 GMT in the UK, we have the claimant count change, forecast to drop by 3.1 thousand. At 9 GMT in Europe, we have the Europe flash GDP quarter-on-quarter forecast to drop by 0.1%. And at 12:30 GMT in the US, we have the PPI month-on-month forecast to drop by 0.6%. And our interesting pair of the day is the sterling dollar. The British pound looks for lower lows, reaching 152.27 against the US dollar ahead of today's speech by the Bank of England Governor Mervyn King. Mr. King will be replaced in June by Canadian Mark Carney, a keen monetarist. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.